Starting a clothing business can be a daunting task, but what if we told you that you could do it with just one thing, AI? In this video, we'll show you how to start a clothing business with AI only and earn more than $60,000. The first step is to find an AI software that can design clothes for you. There are many options out there, so do your research and find one that suits your needs. Once you have the software, start designing your clothes. You can choose from a variety of options like fabric, style, and color. Next, use the AI software to produce your designs. This will save you time and money as you won't need to hire a team of production staff. The AI system will take care of everything from cutting the fabric to sewing the clothes together. Once you have your clothes ready, it's time to market and sell them. Use social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to promote your brand and connect with potential customers. You can also create an online store where customers can buy your products. When it comes to pricing, make sure to do your research and price your products competitively. You want to make a profit, but you also don't want to overprice your products and turn away customers. Finally, always keep an eye on your sales and adjust your marketing and pricing strategies accordingly. With AI, you can easily analyze your data and make informed decisions to grow your business. Starting a clothing business with just AI is not only cost-effective, but it's also a way to stay ahead of the competition. With AI, you can create unique designs, produce them quickly, and sell them to customers all around the world. So, what are you waiting for? Start your own clothing business with AI today and earn more than $60,000. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your journey to success.